Welcome to the project disc brake failure and overheating alarm system. This is the disc brake setup we have. It is mounted to PIC microcontroller. Here we are using 16F872 PIC microcontroller, and the buzzer is mounted to the microcontroller, which indicates whenever the disc brake failure, it will give the sounding alarm and also a visible alarm. Let's see the demonstration. So you can see the light temperature on the screen. Whenever the brake fails, it will give you the sounding alarm and as well as shows on the screen. Whenever the temperature will be get high, so whenever the high temperature will occur, then it will give the buzzing alarm. So then the bike rider can easily stop his bike